Let's rewrite this product as a sum. So as you can see, we have 2 cosine of 7x over 2 multiplied by a cosine of 3x over 2. Not sure why we don't have parentheses around this 3x minus 2. It doesn't matter though. All right, so we have cosine multiplied by another cosine. So I went ahead and brought up our product to some formula for cosine multiplied by cosine. So as we get going on this, I think it's always handy if we first identify alpha we're going to be using as 7x over 2, and beta is going to be identified as 3x over 2 as we fill into our formula down here. Now this one has slightly a little bit more going on, that we have a 2 hanging out in front. That's going to come along, so that's going to be part of our solution. To that, we have to basically plug into the right half of this formula. So I'm going to bring along the 1/2, big set of brackets, and then we have cosine of alpha plus beta. So in our case, we said alpha was 7x over 2 minus our beta, which is 3x over 2, plus cosine of alpha, again, 7x over 2, this time plus beta, which was 3x over 2. Close off our brackets. All right, from here, bunch of simplifying down, basically. So we have 2 multiplied by 1/2. 2 multiplied by 1/2 makes a 1. So basically that can go away. The rest of it's a bunch of reducing down. So we do have cosine. And then when we have 7x over 2 minus 3x over 2, it's pretty nice. We already have a common denominator. So let's reduce that down, put it together over this common denominator. We can say we have 7x minus 3x makes 4x over that 2 inside of that cosine, plus cosine of this time, as we combine our fractions together, we'll keep the common denominator, but they're being added this time. So 7x's plus 3 more makes 10x's all over 2. And then to finish this up, we're just going to reduce down what's on the inside. So we have cosine of 2x plus cosine of 5x. And that's as reduced down as this is going to get, because we have different things on the inside of each of these cosines. You can't say it's 2 of the exact same thing. So we'll leave our solution just like that. Hope this helps out as you're going from products to sum, this one being a cosine multiplied by a cosine. Good luck.